Okay. 1 pot spaghetti's ingredients. Spaghetti sauce, or you can use 1 bottle of Balmea or Clever Sugo, whatever flavor you like. A bit of condensed, not half, little bit. Then schlag over. Then of course, you can use defatted meat, spaghetti, course onion and garlic.
Easy step to defat your meat using Salad Master.
See how it looks like if you don't defat your meat? Can you imagine that? Yan ang pupunta sa ano nyo. We need to test garlic, onion. Ayan, saka plate. Very important is the butter. The butter is one item. Then, ato. 1 bit bouillon. Okay. Then the spaghetti sauce. Okay. So, Filipino ako. So, I'm gonna put a little bit of schlag over, kalahati. Mamaya yung kalahati. Yan. Then, I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Kasi dapat, yung total ng pag 300 ml, ang sauce mo is around half of water. So, mga 300 ml per siya. You can even put carrots, grated carrots in bowl number 1 because your kids doesn't know, so they can have veggies as well. I-adjust or pakilagay sa 125. Once it click later, lalagay pa natin yung extra schlag over. Ito po. Yan. 20 minutes. Yes po. Okay. Then we're gonna mix. So guys, then we're gonna now put the rest of the schlag over. Of the schlag over. Ayan. And we're gonna put as well. Don't buy grated cheese because it's not pure cheese. It's rather buy a black one and then you just put it in. So, siya lang ating cheese for today because I'm using Eden cheese para yummy ang spaghetti. This is the finished product.